Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss social assignment dated 19/6/2020 of class 10th based on geography lesson manufacturing industries. Read the following paragraph and answer the following questions given below in one or two sentences each. There are three paragraphs. First paragraph is based on automobile industry. Second paragraph is based on information technology and electronic industry. Third paragraph is based on industrial pollution and environmental degradation. Now there are 10 questions to be discussed. Question number 1. What is the use of automobiles? What is the use of automobiles? Answer is automobiles provide vehicles for quick transport, of goods, services and passengers. So, quick transport of goods, services and passengers vehicles are used. Question number 2. Name any two major centers of automobile industry. Name any two major centers of automobile industry. Answer is Delhi and Gurugram. Question number 3. Which industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the last few years? Which industry has been a major foreign exchange earner in the last few years? Answer is information technology. Question number 4. What does software technology park provide? What does software technology parks provide? It provides single window service and high data communication facility to software experts. It provides single window service and high data communication facility to software experts. Question number 5. Name any two industries that are responsible for water pollution. Name any two industries that are responsible for water pollution. Answer is textile industry and petroleum industries. Question number 6. Name any two major solid waste produced by industries. Name any two major solid waste produced by industries. Answer is fly ash, phosphogypsum and iron and steel slags. Question number 7. What are harmful effects of nuclear energy? What are the harmful effects of nuclear energy? We know waste from nuclear plants cause cancer, birth defects and miscarriages. Question number 8. Mention the effects of noise pollution. Mention the effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution causes irritation and anger. It can cause hearing impairments and can also cause high blood pressure and physiological effects. Irritation and anger. Hearing impairments, high blood pressure, and physiological effects. Question number 9. What is essential for the construction of building houses, factories, bridges, roads, etc.? What is essential for the construction of building houses, factories, bridges, roads, etc.? Answer is cement. Next question is going to be based on map pointing. Now we need to mark the iron and steel industries in the given political map of India. We have the major iron and steel industries. First one is Bokaro, which belongs to Jharkhand. Second one is Jamshedpur, which is also in Jharkhand. Third one is Durgapur, which is in West Bengal. Fourth one is Bhilai. Fifth one is Vijayanagar. And sixth one is Salem. Now we are going to mark it in the given map of India. The first one is Bokaro. Bokaro is in Jharkhand. This yellow shaded one, Jharkhand, and Bokaro belongs to this region. border of West Bengal, Bokaro. Next one is Jamshedpur at the bottom of Jharkhand. Here it is, this region, Jamshedpur. Third one is Durgapur, which belongs to West Bengal, and it comes this region, Durgapur. Fourth one is Bhilai, which is the blue color here, and it is in the state of Chhattisgarh, and it comes here, this point. Next one is Vijayanagar, which belongs to Karnataka, and it is the green shaded here, this side, Karnataka, and here the pointed place over here, Vijayanagar. And the next one is Salem, which belongs to Tamil Nadu, here the yellow mark over top, here comes Salem. Salem. These are the 6 places of iron and steel industry. Next we have to go into the software technology parks of India. Software technology park. First one is Noida. Noida is in Uttar Pradesh. Here at the border of Delhi and Uttar Pradesh. Noida comes here. At the border here. This point. Noida. Next one is Gandhinagar, which belongs to Gujarat. So this green mark, Gujarat, green shaded. And here this region, Gujarat, this region, it comes Gandhinagar. Third one is Bombay. Bombay is in Maharashtra, and at the border of here, this area, Bombay comes. Next, just below Pune is there, just below this area, Pune. This region is Pune. Next one is Hyderabad. Hyderabad belongs to Telangana state. And it comes this side, the middle. So Hyderabad. Next one is Bengaluru. Bengaluru belongs to Karnataka, and the green shaded place at the bottom of here, this area, Bengaluru. Next one is Chennai. Chennai belongs to this yellow shaded state, that is Tamil Nadu. In that Chennai comes here, this area, Chennai. Next one is Thiruvananthapuram. The red shaded area is Kerala. At the bottom of it, Thiruvananthapuram. This area, Thiruvananthapuram. These are the mark pointy places. So children, please verify all your answers. Thank you very much.